makeup tutorial. Sorry, it's a bit echoey in here. I wanted to do a little bit of a Vogue Beauty Secrets inspired kind of video, so here we are. I'm in Barcelona right now, so I'm in a hotel. And yeah, so I'm going out tonight and I wanted to do my kind of everyday summer routine because right now in Barcelona it is scorching hot and sweat just comes right off. So I'm going to take you through my routine of what I do to achieve my like summer makeup kind of glowy look. So let's get started. So I've already cleansed and moisturized. I'm actually going to take the most important thing, which is your sunscreen. This is the Roche Posay sunscreen. And I'm just gonna prep the face with that. Next, I actually like to do my brows. So I'm gonna take the MAC False Lashes Maximizer. And this is to help like push back the brows. It dries clear. It helps just kind of push the brows up for that like fluffy, bushy brow look. I took my concealer and I just carved out the brow just so I can prep my brows for my actual brow products. I know kind of how to shape that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Taupe and just fill in any sparse areas. I like to take the same product but in a darker color and kind of just draw like little hair-like strokes. Next I take a spoolie and I just kind of brush that out. And if I feel like I need a little bit more, I actually take the Anastasia Brow Wiz and just fill in the ends. And then I like to just take a brush and buff out the concealer. So normally for a summer like night out or even just summer in general, I don't like to wear a lot of face makeup, but just something to even out the skin tone. I like to take the MAC Face and Body. This just gives the skin a little bit of a tint, just because I wear SPF on my face, so we need it to match it. Okay, now that the skin is nice and even, it's still a very natural foundation. I like to take that concealer I was using earlier for my brows and just conceal in the spots that I need a bit extra. So definitely underneath the eyes, in the inner corner here. Oh, just poke myself out. On the eyelids, a little bit the nose, a little bit on the chin, and the other spots. And then I just usually take a beauty blender, fingers, or a brush to blend that out. So see the difference? Concealer saves all. Okay, so I just like to like pat it in. You want to be pretty delicate around the eye area just because that's where the skin is the thinnest on your face. So just gently tapping. Next, I take the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder and I set pretty much the T-zone just to make sure that it stays all right. I like to take just another powder in a skin tone, and I like to just kind of bronze but also powder the outside of the face. It'll give a little bit of color. Next I like to go in with blush. I'm just taking kind of pinky, peachy with a bit of gold reflex kind of blush and put all that on. Before I put my highlighter, I like to take the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray and just spritz that all over. I know we're dewy once again, but once this dries, it like locks everything in place and it's amazing. Next, I like a few different things for glow, but obviously it's COVID times and we still have to wear masks when we're walking in the stores and stuff like that. So I don't like to wear like a sticky highlighter. I try to stick to powders as much as I can just because they help absorb a lot of the sweat. So I'm going to take the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop and I just put on the high points of the face. For eyes, I like to keep it fairly simple. I mean, usually a night out I do like to wear makeup, but for like a summer type of makeup, even nighttime, I like to keep it as simple as possible because most likely it's going to sweat off. So I like to take kind of just neutral colors. These are all MAC eyeshadows, and I'm gonna just mix it with a fluffy brush and just like sweep it all over my eye, kind of like a smoky eye. It just adds like a little wash of color, still keeping everything pretty neutral. Next, I like to take a dark brown eyeshadow. I kind of mix these two right here. This is the Dezlynn X Morphe Vault palette. This is the Dark Magic palette, and I like to mix these two colors right here and do like a very like blow it out soft liner. Sometimes I like to do a wing, sometimes I don't, but I think tonight I'm just gonna keep it pretty neutral. This will just help give our lashes a bit more of a base, make it look more voluminous. I like to just take a pencil brush now and just kind of smoke it out. Next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply a bit of mascara, and then we're prepping for some falsies. Next, I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm going to be using the Lithe Lashes in style 06. Yeah, I like these because they're super natural, super fluffy, but they still give me the volume that I want, because as you can see, I barely have eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. As I'm letting the lashes dry, last but not least, I like to keep it pretty simple for the lips just because I'm going to be going out eating and drinking. I like to take any sort of lip gloss. I really like these two, the Dior Lip Glow Oil and then the Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. Let's do this one. I feel like glossy lips for summer is super in. And also, we cannot forget the hoops. And that is my completed look. Just pretty much focus on skin, lips, and lashes, and brows obviously. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me trying to be that Vogue beauty secret type thing. Obviously I'm not claiming to be, I love those videos and I was like, I need to make a video like that because the lighting in this washroom is pretty bomb. So I hope you guys liked it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.